You know what GoPro is? GoPro is the Comcast of action cameras. Alright, this is going to be a little bit of a rant video. I apologize. Here is what's left of my unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7. Full disclaimer, I am not one of the GoPro ambassadors that got a free GoPro to pretty much put it out to the community to say good things about it, even though it's not true. So I had high expectations, high hopes for the GoPro Hero 7, and one of the most ambitious things that I thought would work well with my channel is the live streaming. The main purpose of this video is to see if this is plausible to use, which is the live streaming during motovlogging. I'm not going to do a crazy unboxing or show you what's in it because there's plenty of videos out there. There it is. What I am going to show you though, not this mess, because that's Baby Gromer's gift. Boom. Flamethrower. The Boring Company, I ordered that back in January, came recently. Still got to do a video on that. Let's say 500 thumbs ups on this video, and we do one-handed wheelies while lighting that guy on fire. 500 thumbs up. So I have a Patreon account, so I have patrons that pay money to support the channel, and I'm always looking at ways to give them a little bit extra content. So when I heard that GoPro Hero 7 announced through all their ambassadors that there's a nice little live streaming feature via Facebook, I was pretty excited.
Pitch me on this. Tell me what this is.
I said that'd be a good little option to put out to my Facebook group, which is for patrons only, to give them a little behind the scenes content while I'm on the road. So here's the GoPro Hero 7. While I'm motovlogging, hit a button on my app and have it stream live to my Facebook group. That way they can get some behind the scene, raw, uncut footage while I'm making my motovlogs. It seemed like a great idea. Even though it's only 720p, I was like, hey, you know what? Most people watch it on their phone anyway, that's not too bad. So I just spent about half an hour to an hour trying to get it set up. Finally got it set up and found out that you can only stream to your personal Facebook page. So not page, profile, I guess it would be. So if you have a page, like I have Photogromer, where you can hit the like button instead of add friend, you can't access that through the app to stream to that. If you have a Patreon group or any type of private group or public group for that matter, you can't send it directly to that as you would, you know, stream directly to that through your computer or your phone. So yeah, I guess you could stream to your personal account, make it public, then share it onto your private page, but to me that just seems stupid. For me it doesn't work because I don't want to stream to my personal page. Besides that, one of the other things that's gonna stop me from being able to use this is the fact that you have to have a hotspot. Obviously you gotta have a hotspot, a connection, so I assumed, probably should have done more research, but you know, obviously there's not that much out there, only the fluffy stuff that people put out there. I assumed you could just connect, you know, I'm on LTE, I'm on AT&T Unlimited, I live stream on this all the time through my phone. I assumed I could just use that connection, live stream through it. No, so you have to create a hotspot via your cell phone or have a Wi-Fi card or use a Wi-Fi network like your router in your house. Since I have AT&T Unlimited, I can't use the unlimited plan to create a hotspot because they don't enable it. So therefore I cannot use the GoPro on my phone while I'm riding to do any type of live streaming as of right now. So obviously I can get a different plan and enable that, but I went ahead and, you know, I was like, here I am. In fact, let me just show you the clip. I'm gonna go ahead and go live. I set it for only me to see, so we'll see if it works. Put my helmet on. Okay, interrupted. What's going on? Where's my phone? Something went wrong. Make sure the Wi-Fi, okay. Perfect. So, still can... Network error, unable to connect. I don't know what's going on. I mean, now it's not recognizing, or it's not sending out the Wi-Fi for the GoPro. It lasted 3 seconds before it disconnected and would not reconnect. Mind you, I have 150 up, 150 down Vios fiber optics here in the house. I got a strong connection. Wi-Fi is not an issue in my house. The GoPro app, besides having to uninstall it once and reset in the settings, disconnected to the internet and wouldn't continue the live streaming. I got 3 seconds of recording and the audio is pretty horrible on it from what I saw. See, so we'll see if it works. Preview not available, but I can view on Facebook. So this is just an initial little gripe video. I just wanted to put it out there because I know a lot of you guys are on the fence. I just posted a very happy, excited. I just got my Hero 7 in the mail, pre-ordered, a week ago. Really excited post on Instagram. So I know a lot of you motovloggers follow me, or action gurus that like this type of technology. So I just want to put it out there. Right now, the net of this little rant video is you cannot Facebook Live stream to your public profiles, or your public pages. So if you have like a Photogromer, like I have a Photogromer page or a business page, you can't stream to that. You also can't stream to groups. You have to do it to your personal page, I guess is what I'm trying to say. You can only do it to your personal page. So keep that in mind. And also you need a hotspot enabled device. That's different from your cell phone data plan. So you can't use LTE to connect to stream via your GoPro. You have to use a hotspot that you have to set up via your phone. So if your phone doesn't have that option, good luck doing it. So if you're a motovlogger, action filmer, whatever have you, and you want to Facebook Live, you're not going to be able to do that without having a hotspot. So if your cell phone plan doesn't enable that, kiss that goodbye. And then, of course, when I did connect it to my Wi-Fi here at the house, 3 seconds before it disconnected. So seems like there's a lot of bugs and a lot of I don't want to say misinformation, because I'm sure it's out there in a small text somewhere, but there's not a lot of this information out there to the public. So a lot of these brand ambassadors have been pushing it as the best GoPro there ever is. It's like an Apple commercial. I don't know. I haven't tested stabilization. I haven't tested image quality. I just tested something that's right on the box that sold me. Live streaming is what sold me. And for me, as a motovlogger, someone that's going to be out in the field, there's no plausible way for me to use this unless I change my cell phone plan to enable a hotspot. And then even if I do that, it's questionable whether or not the connection will remain connected during when I'm filming. It just seems like the GoPro is trying to bite off more than they can handle, and they need to fix some firmware updates within their system before they can jump into this world, which seems like they're not ready for. So just my personal opinion on the first unboxing, spent an hour trying to get it set up. Doesn't seem like the Facebook Live stream is very plausible for people that are out in the field, or people that don't have hotspot, or people that don't want to stream to their personal account. So anyway, that's it. A little rant video, just putting it out there right now. Little off the cuff video. On a side note, boom, Elon Musk, not a flamethrower, the Born Company. If you guys want to see one-handed wheelies with a flamethrower in one hand, wheelie in the other, put 500 likes down below. Even though this video sucks, let's get it out there to the masses. That way we can get on there on indexing on YouTube, so everybody's not seeing all these fluff videos where GoPro sent them a free GoPro, so they talk nice about the good features and leave out all the bad ones. 500 likes down below. We're gonna do some one-handed wheelies. All right, I just want to get this out to you guys. Sorry for the off-the-cuff rant, and hopefully this helps you sway in one direction or not if Facebook Live is important to you. All right, future video, I'll test the image stabilization. That's another big one for me. But right off the bat, one of two of the main features that I wanted doesn't seem to be accessible for me, at least. All right, guys, I will see you next one. Hopefully you enjoyed learning about this information. Flamethrower wheelies will put me in a happier place. All right, we'll see you in the next one.